This user guide will show you how to send candidate feedback on the Lumina applicant tracker. First, visit www.luminalearning.com in order to log into our system. Press the Login button in the top right corner. Then, use your Lumina account details to sign in to Lumina Online. Now, navigate to Lumina Services on the left-hand menu. Then, enter the applicant tracker area. Select the position in which you would like to send candidate feedback. You will now see the positions dashboard. If you would like to edit your default candidate feedback welcome page, navigate to Position Settings. Please note that if you would like to only send out candidate feedback and not edit the default settings, skip forward in the video and navigate to the merit list. Scroll down the page to the candidate feedback default welcome page. Select which template you would like to edit. Edit the text. Update the default template in order to save your changes. Scroll up the page. And now navigate to the merits list. To send the candidate out their feedback, click on the Send Applicant Feedback button. Once this page appears, you will be able to edit to whom you want to send the feedback. Click the drop-down menu to select to which stage of the process you would like to send feedback. Select the stage. The highlighted number will change depending on which stage you select. Continue to the next stage. Your default feedback template will appear on screen. Use the drop-down menu to select which template you want to use. You are able to make edits to the text if you so choose. If you would also like to make these changes to the default template, click the button in the bottom right. Continue to the next stage. This confirmation page will tell you how many points you are paying and how many points you have left. The highlighted information describes how your charge has been worked out. Once you are sure you want to send out the feedback, click the highlighted button on screen. Thank you for listening to this user guide on sending candidate feedback on the Lumina applicant tracker. We hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to contact support@luminalearning.com if you have any further queries.